We made a split about a couple of weeks ago on these production colonies, and we made two additional hives. So we're gonna see if they're extra strong. So if not, then we're gonna leave them as they are. Just add some add extra box on top. This is the foundation frame that we put in. We're gonna look for the queen too. If we see her, it's gonna be easier. We're gonna move her down to the bottom box and put queen excluder. If we don't see her, then we're gonna shake all the bees down from this top box down to the bottom one. Nectar. This is really a nice frame of cap brood. A lot of bees emerging. Look for the queen. This is also the extra frame that we added. A lot of eggs. So this one's got 4 frames of brood. We're not gonna remove any from this one, but we're gonna shake all the bees down and put the queen excluder, and we're gonna add the box on top. This is the pollen with some caproot and pollen and nectar. We don't see queen on it, so I'm gonna just shake that and just make sure, take a second look that there's no queen. Frame of eggs and open emerging bees, a lot of young emerging bees. So we're gonna shake this one too. I don't see queen. I checked the bottom, they're not making the queen cells, so they're not in a swarm mode. We're doing things just on time with this particular hive. So no queen on this one that I can see. There's a cup here, but no egg inside. Another frame of caproot. So it's a colony. Hopefully they'll produce honey for us this year. frame of honey up on the third box. Okay, so what we done with this particular hive, we found that it is strong, so we needed to give her more room. So we pushed the bees all the way down to the single box, and then rearranged a little bit, added a couple of frames, and then put the third box on top. So that way bees will come up and occupy this this brood here. So later we're gonna come up and equalize. But for this time we're just giving them some room so they don't start getting the urge of swarming. Okay, so one important thing about this system is to close all other holes above the first box, so the bees come up on the main entrance and always have contact with the queen pheromones. So for example, always have bees come up here, not like if you have holes on upper boxes. That way they come up here, they might think they're queenless and start raising a new queen here in the honey super. So if you have queen excluder between the boxes, so always make sure that they come up on one entrance. So the reason we're having the brood in the first box only and then honey on top, so this box is gonna be honey for this colony, and then in August we're gonna reverse it, and bees will move all that honey up above their clusters, above the brood. So, and the extra above this box is gonna be our honey.